Na gwamukire na giteo kinene rita ringi na tugithie na mbere ni ati Governor wa county ya Embu Sestri Mbalire muthenya wa umuthi ni arikitie guikiria ritana arugamiriri a wadi akimoria metikire kwamba kurikia mitaratara o ndumwe na tafarira iria citarikite muiria wa mabitie kuhimbiria mitaratara ingi ona gwata tafarira ingi cia ukuria Sestri nyamuritie kubitikira kurutithania wira na wabici ya governor niguo gutigirira ati wonjoria kana niguo gutigirira ati ukuria no wakorwo ugikinyagia nginya kuria mashinani. Governor uyu ni arikitie kumoria ati wona manyitanira mari hamwe na metikire kurutithania wira county ino ya Embu ni gukorwo igithie na mbere hari ukuria ona gwata kiwonjoria. Reke twamukira riboti ino iri harirwo ni mwandiki witu Thii wa Mohoro.
Akiaria ari mucemanio-ini thingira wa iregi wa county ya Embu, Governor wa Embu Cecil Mbalile ni acokeirie ngatho mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto ni undu wa kumucagura ta muikariri giti wa mwaho wa kiama kia UDA. Governor ni ikitie ritana kuri arugamiriri a wadi ya county ya Embu ya kuhimbiria mbere mitaratara iria yambikitwo mbere no ndiarikire niguo gutwarithia na mbere mitaratara mieru, guku akimoria gwitikira kurutithania wira na ofisi yake niguo kugacirithia motungata kuri His
Excellency the President Dr. William Ruto and the United Democratic Alliance's leadership for finding it fit to have me as the national chair of the ruling party. This position is of great benefit to the people of Embu and gives me a platform to negotiate with the government for development projects.
Kuringana na Cecil, uiguithania mwega gatagati ka thirikari nene na thirikari ya county uhotithitie thirikari ya county ya Embu kuguciriria mitaratara ya uthii wa na mbere ya muigana wa bilioni 2.
To inform this house that we have benefited greatly through projects funded by the two levels of government.
Imwe ya mitaratara iria county ya Embu ikorirwe kigunika nayo kumana na ngwataniro njega ya thirikari ni ndonyo ya kiriu ya muigana bilioni 1 kiharo kia Embu kugacirithio na guthondekwa weru kwa ndonyo ya Runyenje.
Construction and development of Embu ultra modern market. This project, which is worth close to 1 billion, courtesy of
arugamiriri a wodi ni magathiriire wira wa Governor Cecil na kwiranira kumunyitirira na kurutithania wira na governor niguo gutigirira uthii wa na mbere ni wakinyira muingi uria matura-ini.
Tumshukuru, ameenda beyond our expectations, ameenda ametafuta hata pesa za national government ambazo sasa tumeweza pia kutusaidia especially kwa mambo ya infrastructure katika Embu town.
Fotera Muthegi TV, Jetago wa Boi wa Mugo.
Na gatho cia mwanya mundu gwitwo wa Boi wa Mugo ni ndu wa riboti yo njega. Tugithii na mbere ni ati namba ya atumia aria marakorwo makihero ciana mathibitari-ini ni thiete na mbere na kwambatira na gikiro kinene na makiria kuma kuria county-ini ya Laikipia. Kuringana na uthuthuria urekitwo ica ikuhi wonanitie ati thutha wa motaro maria marikirie kuheanwo kuria atumia ma mogwati maria mangi matunga wona magira ciana ciao micii niguo cungiriirie atumia aingi kuoya uigiririki na gwikinyagia mathibitari-ini kwamukira motungata ma kuheo ciana mugaru na hau gabere kuria atumia aingi makoragwo makihero ciana ciao mucii. Reke twamukira riboti ino kuma kuria Mohoro wa county ya Laikipia.
Na leo tumetoka kwa hiyo idadi, sasa tuko kwa idadi ya wamama 10 kwa siku, si kwa mwezi. Inamaanisha tumeenda kwa rate ya juu kabisa. Tunashukuru Mungu kwa sababu na wazee, mumeona mlipokuwa hapa, wazee ndio wanaleta wamama kujifungua. Zamani ilikuwa wamama mwenyewe wanajipeleka huko, akifika asipofika hiyo ni yake. Leo ni wazee wenyewe wanaleta wamama mpaka mahali hapa. Cases ambazo zinatusumbua au zinahitaji matibabu ya juu zaidi tunasukuma na nyuki. Na kwa hiyo tulikaa chini kama community tukaona ya kwamba hapana, ni itakuwa vizuri tuwe na facility ambayo inaweza kufanya matibabu yetu hapa, na vile vile kuna issue ya cost kutoka hapa kufika na nyuki au kufika Nairobi, bei ya matibabu iko juu zaidi. Kwa maana tulianza mjengo huu ambao sasa utakuwa na kila kitu. Tuna theater, tuna ICU, tuna nursery, tuna ward zote mahali hapa.
Tuna deal na wamama wa community Waturkana, Wamasai na Wasamburu. Kwa sasa wameweza kujifungua hospitali kwa wingi ukikombea na venye wamekuwa wakijifungua mbeleni. Siku hizi wanakuja wakiwa wengi, na kitambo walikuwa wanajifungulia nyumbani. Wengine wanapata shida, wanapoteza watoto, wakibleed, hakuna mtu wa kuwasaidia, wanaenda kukufa.
Sisi haswa sisi watu wa ufugaji tumefaidika sana kuenda kilomita mingi kusalia watoto mbali. Sasa msichana akipata anaumana, tunalete mission na anasaidikia mission. Sisi wafugaji tunaona tumepata mzuri, na hii hospitali yetu ya karibu ametuokoa.
Sisi tulikuwa tunaenda mbali na nyuki kwa huduma, hata kama hii saa hizi tunaipata hapa. Lakini saa hii kuna manufaa nyingi, maana kama ni ugonjwa haraka tunavukishwa tu mara moja, unakuja unapata matibabu. Kama hata hii saa hii shida saa hii ambayo sisi tuko naye ya pressure, saa hii tunapata kipimo hapa.
Na tugithie na mbere ni ati aikari a Shinyaru na matura maria marigicĩire gũkũ nĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Kakamega mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ nĩ magĩire na kanya ga kwaranĩria na acirithania a igoti inene rĩa Kakamega ũndũ ũmwe na aruti a wĩra igoti-inĩ rĩrĩ ũndũ ũrĩa igongona rĩrĩa rĩkĩkĩire thoko-inĩ ya Rubao ya kuoya mawoni nĩ ũndũ wa gũthiĩ na mbere na kuongerereka kwa macira ma mĩgũnda. Nĩ hĩndĩ ya igongona rĩrĩ rĩrĩa mũingĩ ũkorirwo ũkiuga atĩ macibũ o ũndũ ũmwe na atongoria thirikari-inĩ nĩ makoretwo makĩamũkĩra mahaki, ũndũ ũrĩa ũcũngĩrĩirie kĩhoto kwagaga kuonekana kaingĩ. Reke twamũkĩra riboti ĩno kuma kũrĩa kaunti-inĩ ya Kakamega.
Aikari a Shinyaru na matura marigicĩirie nĩ magĩire mweke wa gũcemania na majaji na aruti wĩra angĩ a igoti rĩa Kakamega mũcemanio-inĩ wa kũruta mawoni ũhoro-inĩ wa mawatho.
Kama una shida ya shamba, unafikiria ulinyang'anywa shamba ama unanyang'anya mtu shamba na anajaribu kuipokea, pia kuna hiyo koti ya mashamba tu, hiyo sikiza tu mashamba. Ukitoka hapa nenda kule utasaidiwa. Pia kuna mahakama kuu. Sasa mahakama kuu inasikiza kila kitu. Ukiwa na shida yoyote ukienda ukatakao mpotea njia, watakuonesha mahali pa kwenda.
Akiaria mũcemanio-inĩ ũcio, jaji wa igoti inene rĩa Kakamega Patrick Otieno nĩ augĩte macira maingĩ marĩa makinyagio igoti-inĩ nĩ marĩa megiĩ mĩgũnda.
Kwa judiciary mzima ile kesi mingi tunayo na ziko mingi kwa sababu haziishi ni mambo ya succession. Bwana Chief, mtusaidie. ACC hapa tuomba msaada. Saa hizi Kenya hii yetu na judiciary ya sasa tuko na kitu inaitwa AJS, Alternative Dispute Systems. Mkikubaliana nyumbani, msikae nayo. Mnaweza fika kotini, mseme ya kwamba tumekubaliana. There are over 50,000 titles lying at the land registry uncollected.
Jaji Agre Mushelule uria uma umwe wa aria mauma mũcemanio-inĩ ũcio nĩ atarĩirie wagagu wake ũhoro-inĩ wa mwana wa kahĩ gũtiganĩrio mĩhang'o-inĩ ya kwagĩrithia mwana wa kairĩtu. Ũhoro ũcio ũkĩnyitwo mbaru nĩ mũmbunge wa gĩcigo kĩu Fred Ikana.
Lazima tupeleke watoto wetu wavulana shuleni. Mliona ukiita chief ni mama, ukiita ACC ni mama, ukiita DPP ni mama, ukiita kila mtu ni mama. Chief Justice ni mama, Deputy Chief Justice ni mama, Chief Registrar ambaye ameritaya ni mama.
Kazo mambo ya kusomesha vijana wetu. Tukiangalia jinsi muliona, officers wengi hapa ni akina dada. Tunaomba wote mko hapa msomeshe watoto, ndio maana nimesema nitatilia mkazo mambo ya masomo hapa Shinyaru.
Kirifotera Muthingi TV, Geto Wageshi wa Wachira.
Kaunti nĩ ya Laikipia anyitĩte rũhonge-inĩ rwa ũgendi na makĩria kuma taũni-inĩ ya Nanyuki ĩno ĩkĩrĩ kũrĩa kaunti-inĩ ya Laikipia nĩ mathiĩte na mbere na gwetha njĩra njerũ cia kũgacĩrithia ũndũ ũmwe na kũigathia ũgendi na kũgucĩrĩria agendi makĩria magetha njĩra ingĩ kũrĩa hũgũrũrũ-inĩ cia kĩrĩma kĩa Mount Kenya. Anyitĩte maugĩte atĩ wona agendi mambia gũka Nanyuki na njĩra ĩrĩ igũrũ, wonjoria wa kaunti ĩno o ũndũ ũmwe na wongerereku wa mawĩra nĩ ũgũkorwo ũkĩingĩra gũkũ nayo mbeũ njĩthĩ ĩkorwo ĩgĩteithĩka.
One of the things which you realize very quickly is that Laikipia, Mount Kenya region has not been promoted as a tourist destination in this country. People will talk about the Masai Mara circuit, we'll talk about the Nakuru circuit, we'll talk about the Mombasa circuit, and they forget entirely what is happening out here. But when I look at this part of the world, if you look at the number of nature reserves, there are no other in this country. If you look at the rich flora and fauna around Mount Kenya, it is something which people should relish. And on top of that, for those who want to climb the mountain, whether they are amateurs or whether they are professionals, Mount Kenya is something which challenges people a lot more than even Mount Kilimanjaro. And of course, not to forget this very shy range of called Aberdare ranges.
What we do here is that we have an outdoor experiential gym, which is unlike the other facilities where you have the machines and everything. These ones are manual, where we help people get their physical fitness better, improve their physical fitness in so many aspects. There are places where you have to deal with your hands, you exercise with your hands. There are places where you deal with your legs, and there are other places where of fun. The fun is about what you saw there when we were going up the bridge in the sky. So when we came here, we started off because we thought there was need for this kind of facility. And what is exciting even the more is the current things which people have been able to see, in that now we have got 3 complementaries which create a rich source for anybody who is visiting this part of Nanyuki specifically. In that now we have got the main hotel to cater for hospitality services, and of course with the rooftops, as I've told you, which is magical when you see the countryside around you. Then we have the normal indoor fitness center, where we have got maybe the biggest pool now in this part of the world. Nobody's helping.
Na riboti yo kuma kuria kaunti ya Laikipia niyo gutuhe kahinda gaitu ga kwamba gwikiria oro hanini rwakorwo githura mitambo ni mudacokire na ikireka ria keri ni muthingi iharo-ini tabeto ikeiye Dao